What's going on, guys? Today is December 11th. I am moving the FD as usual. We had a little bit of snow the other day, so with that being said, I got a new bumper. Well, not a new bumper. Larry Maraglia, I hope I'm saying your last name right. Larry from Old Bridge hooked me up with his OEM bumper for the Supra. We're going to put that on today. I'm going to give you guys an update. Once I move the FD, I got to warm it up, and then after that, we'll go over the car. I think we're gonna get the car registered for the weekend. Hopefully we get a good weekend and we can get some really cool shots of the car. I'm super stoked. I really hope we can get the car driving because it's been a while since we've had it. We haven't actually gotten to drive the thing yet. We got new wheels, got the new steering wheel in, putting the OEM bumper in, got major updates from a bunch of sponsors. 506 Wraps is going to sponsor the car. There's just a lot of things that you guys need to see, and stay tuned for the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna do as much as I possibly can in the Supra. Probably bring it to Cody's shop, get some cool stuff there too. We're gonna definitely do a lot more with the Supra, so definitely hit the subscribe button. Peace. Oh, let's start it up. Just had a bunch of crap. The weather sucks. Smoke. You gotta love premix. It just smokes like all hell until the car's warm, and then after the car's warm, that smoke kind of just disappears. But don't you just love the sound of rotaries? I mean, they still suck. Working on them and they're broken. Now I gotta push the Supra back because I don't really want to start the thing. It's super freaking loud, and I don't know, I just don't really want to piss off the neighbors. The FD alone is pretty loud, but no shit, baby. It is pure sex.
I know you a freak on the low. Girl, how low can you go? Strip when you see this pole. You gotta let your girlfriends know. I know you a freak on the low. Girl, how low can you go? Strip when you see this pole. You gotta let your girlfriends know.
She said I'm a favorite rapper. She said I'm a favorite rapper. She said I'm a favorite rapper. Lady killer, getting thriller, and I'm oh so fucking dapper.
So that'll be the new front bumper that's going on. It's the OEM with an OEM lip. So we're gonna change that out. We're gonna take the aftermarket one off and then put the OEM baby on and then see how she looks. So let me shut this off and we'll go from there. But overall, that's how the car looks. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna have to take the bolts on the side. I'm pretty sure there's 3 bolts on the bracket on the side. I've never actually worked on a Supra before. I'm used to zip ties on my 240. I'm not gonna do that. We're actually gonna try and make it work, and I'll actually try and be like an actual enthusiast and do it correctly. But it's a learning process. That's the whole point of these new cars. When you get a new car, you learn from it. I mean, I'm just changing the bumper, so it's really not that crazy, but it's still exciting. I don't know, just changing the bumper is just like, yes. Gives you that woo feeling, you know? So if you guys never watched the last video, here's the engine bay. Now that I think about it, I should have turned the wheel. It would have been easier to get to the bumper. I'm an idiot, and I don't think of things out. I just want to keep going and just start. Let's take this rubber seal off. Oh, damn, that's cracked. That sucks. I don't want to break them anymore, but probably gonna order these from Toyota. So I'm gonna take out these little clips right now. Please don't break, please don't break. There's one clip. And that whole piece comes off. All right, that was easy. So now we have to get in here and get into these bracket. looks like a 10. This is actually loose as shit. Look at the bumper flex. I guess when this car was wrapped, I didn't really tighten it up too much. That sucks. So I got one bolt out. Just seeing it already, I'm gonna have to tuck the harness in a little bit. It's just kind of hanging there, and I don't really feel safe with any kind of harness just chilling. Out with the old, in with semi-used. Oh crap. Hopefully this lines up and we should be good. Still gonna have to buy clips because out of the 2 I only have 3. I mean, out of the 5 I only have 2. So now this is the situation. So there's a bolt here and there's a bolt here, but it does not line up for shit. It lines up in the back of the bumper. I really don't know what the hell that's all about. We're just gonna have to try and zip tie that piece for right now, just so I can get it there and it's not moving anywhere crazy. And I'm just gonna have to try and get this 12 or 11 millimeter in for now. I really do like the front end now. It looks so much better. Thank God. Look at that thing. The hood needs to go. We need to go back to OEM hood. I'm feeling the lip. I mean, obviously it looks like a drift car right now, but it's gonna get wrapped soon. But that's how she's looking right now. It's sitting pretty nice. She's sitting a lot better. It's starting to look like a Supra again, which is cool. Instead of looking like a riced out kit. I can't wait till the wrap goes on with 506. I really kind of want to get that lip same color matched, just because it doesn't look like it's on there. Maybe it's just the lighting because it's dark. You guys can't really tell, but I'm definitely liking how it's looking now. Looks so good. But all right, guys, that's the update on the Supra. I don't even know. Just let me know what color you guys think we should do for this car, because I want you guys to get more involved. I know I don't really hate the hood as much as I did before with the front bumper. I still want to find an OEM aluminum hood. Find a hood. Side skirts. I think these mirrors I'm going to put up for sale. It's the carbon fiber Ganador style. I don't want to get rid of that Ridox side skirt attachment, but I don't have a Ridox kit, so it's kind of stupid to have that Ridox attachment on the side skirt if I'm going to go back to OEM. But she's looking pretty drift car-y like, so we're gonna switch it up, change everything, and then go from there. So thanks again for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.